Hi guys, it's been a long time, hindi tayo nakakapag-video. This time guys, medyo kakaiba naman. I-flex ko lang sa inyo itong napakasarap na chicharon. I tell you, it's an expert quality. Alam nyo ba guys kung ano ang difference ito to other chicharon? Bukod sa color ng kanyang chicharon, nako, napakasarap po kasi it melts in your mouth eh. Maputi siya, hindi siya katulad ng ibang chicharon na nakakain natin na medyo maitim. You can even recognize kung anong klaseng taba ang ginamit doon. This one is skin, pork skin. And it has two variants nga eh. May spicy rin sila nito. Meron silang with laman and without laman. Ayan, katulad yan. Without laman, and this one is with laman. Ayan, with laman. Alam nyo ba guys, na ang difference nito to other chicharon is just 1%. Kasi pare-pareho sila na pork skin with fats. Pero ito, talagang ibang klase siya guys. Greaseless siya. Ayan guys, ayan ang back niya. Ayan. Ayan guys, so ayan. Ayan, that's nyo guys. Tasty and greaseless. Meaning to say, wala masyadong mantika. Ayan guys, ang kanilang if you try to purchase or buy or taste it, here's the address. Yan guys. Actually, meron pa silang ibang branches. Sa pagkakaalam ko, they have in Centennial Road in Cavite. Yan guys, parang doon meron. You can reach them there. And then also, ito. Ayan guys. Even other celebrities try to endorse this eh. Sila Julius Babaw yata yun, at saka siya napanood ko minsan. So ibig meaning to say na talagang maganda ang quality niya, and this is nice, it's good. Yung iba kinukuha nila, bumibili sila nito ng marami, and then give away nila sa mga weddings. Dito some other people na bumibili sa kanila. And I assure you of that, na napakasarap nitong chicharon na to. It's not just an ordinary chicharon. Promise. Try this and surely you will balik-balik sa kanila. You will surely come back. What I mean to say. Ayan guys. The brand is Pat and Cat Chicharon. And also, it is an export quality. And even the factory of this product is napakalinis. Nako, napakalinis guys. Napaka-sanitize niya talaga. Kasi minsan curious din ako. So nagtatanong ako sa kanila. So I even have a chance to visit their place. Kasi lagi ako, since na bumibili ako lagi sa kanila, I decided na makita ko talaga. So if I endorse this to other people and I put it in my YouTube, most probably other people would be interested. So guys, don't lose time, kasi laging minsan talagang huge ang mga orders sa kanila, because talaga namang babalik-balikan mo siya. Yan guys. What is good is ano po to, greaseless. Yan guys. Medyo hindi naman masyadong mahal. Worth the price naman. And that's all for the day guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. Have a safe day everyone. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye!